Now we'll see how can we obtain different gases from air. You know that air is a homogeneous mixture and can be separated into its components by the fractional distillation. As we have seen in case of fractional distillation, that we can use it for separating the different gases from the air. So if we want oxygen gas from air, we have to separate out all the other gases present in the air. And the air is compressed by increasing the pressure and is then cooled by decreasing the temperature to get liquid air. So this is the process which has to be followed by when you are separating the gases from air. That first of all the air is compressed by increasing the pressure, and then it is cooled by decreasing the temperature to get the liquid air. And then this liquid air is allowed to warm up slowly in a fractional distillation column, where the gases get separated at different heights depending upon their boiling points. You can see here, this is air. It is compressed and cooled by increasing the pressure and decreasing temperature, and it changes to liquid air. This liquid air allowed to warm up slowly in the fractional distillation column, and then gases get separated at different heights, right? And you can see the boiling points of these gases. Oxygen has the boiling point minus 183 degrees Celsius, argon has minus 186 degree Celsius, and nitrogen has minus 196 degree Celsius. So here is this arrangement of apparatus. These are the filters. You can see this is one chamber where the air is cooled. This is another column where air is under pressure. In this air is cooled, and then these are the separators. Then here it is the fractionating column, and this is the jar where the liquid oxygen will be collected. So you can see that first of all the filtered air is moving in to this jar where the air is allowed to under pressure. Then this air, which is the warm air, it comes into this chamber where this is the coil tube, you can see, and through this coil tube the freezing cold water is getting in, and the water is getting out also from this exit point, and this air is cooled down from through this water, which is the freezing water, and this cold compressed air is then coming out into these separators. Into these separators you can see this carbon dioxide comes out as dry ice. It is coming out in the solid form, right? Because the air is cold and compressed, so it comes out in the form of solid dry ice, and then this liquid air is coming out into this fractional distillation column, where first of all you can see the nitrogen is going out, then argon is going out, because nitrogen has the least boiling point. So first of all nitrogen will be coming out, then argon, and then oxygen, and this oxygen as liquid oxygen will be collected into this jar. So in this way the oxygen can be, and other gases and oxygen can be separated from the air. Some questions are given here. Arrange the gases present in air in increasing order of the boiling points. You have seen that nitrogen has the least boiling point, that is minus 196 degrees Celsius. Argon has minus 186, and then oxygen has minus 183, which is the maximum in these three, right? Which gas forms the liquid first as the air is cooled? That is oxygen. Which gas is obtained first when air boils up? That is nitrogen, because nitrogen has the least boiling point, hence it is obtained first. Thank you, students.